this tip, we'll see how to sort iterables based on multiple conditions. Consider this collection of books. Our goal is to sort based on number of words in each book title. So for example, books with single word should be sorted first, and then books with two words and so on. So we can use the sorted function, pass books as the first argument, and then we can use a lambda to pass the sorting condition. So we can just count the number of spaces in each book title. So in this case, we are using only a single sorting condition. So books with single word are sorted first, and then we have books with two words and three words and so on. If you notice, these three books are in the same order as they are present in the input collection. But what if we want to sort such items that fall in the same group in ascending alphabetic order? So essentially, we want to provide a tiebreaker. In such cases, instead of a single sorting condition, we can pass a sequence with multiple sorting conditions. So this is the primary rule and this is the tiebreaker. So in this case, we are just passing the string, and by default we will get ascending alphabetic order. So now you can see these three items are in alphabetic order. To sort in descending order, we will usually use the reverse keyword. But here we have multiple sorting conditions. What if one of them should be in ascending order and other in descending order? In our example, one of the rule is based on a number. So we can simply negate this number to reverse the sorting order. So let's see what happens if we negate this sorting rule. So now the book titles with most number of words will be the first item. Since the tiebreaker is ascending alphabetic order, these three words are in the same order as seen earlier. So essentially we get the primary sorting rule in descending order and the tiebreaker in ascending alphabetic order. So now we can apply reverse equal to true if we want book titles with least number of words at the start and the tiebreaker to be descending alphabetic order. Hope you enjoyed this tip.